पागल हो गए क्या तो?
थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए। अरे सेटल आओ।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait. Thank you.
Look here.
Thank you.
मैम यहाँ पे नहीं देखा। Look here. On.
अटल मिनट छाप रहे यार पहले ही बोलना आनंद था सिद्धेश बैठा 500 है भाई
अरे अभिषेक
थैंक यू बोल के बैठ जा।
अरे भाड़े का मोबाइल थैंक यू मत बोल
कंट्रोल भाई हर जगह ये डायलॉग मत बोलो।
फिर कहाँ बोले बता। हाँ यहाँ पे तेरे कान में बोलता है तेरा
मेरे काम में नहीं है, हम लोग के काम में।
काम खराब हो रहा है पागल है क्या तू?
ये भाई ऊपर कोई मत उठो, नीचे बैठ।
थैंक यू मतलब क्या है?
इतना अच्छा हो रहा है बस। सेंटर में है। धन्यवाद।
अजय की तरफ देखिए।
बेइज्जती
दे दो फेंक के मारो.
Nice glance. Nice पैंट.
थैंक यू
क्या थैंक यू बे
थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
अरे रतन
क्या रतन नहीं आ जा रहा है. चौला का बंदा है ना, बोलना उसको भी. क्या बोलता है वो? नहीं इंग्लिश भी है.
सही
तू
किया
खिलाया था ना.
सही किया तूने
साल तू भी बैठा था मेरे साथ में. यहाँ ऑर्डर तेल लगाने डाल दे ऑडियो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं मेरे को. ये सब कर रणवीर सिंह से तुम आराम से करो. मारो भगाओ भगाओ नहीं भगा इसको भगा दो.
धुरंधर.
ये सुशांत
Amazing actor, our producers, ladies and gentlemen, Jyoti Deshpande, give it up for her. She's got some of the most wonderful films and blockbusters, ladies and gentlemen. She's been doing it continuously. Of course, B62 से भी यहाँ with us, Lokesh Thar साहब, एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And the writer, the director and producer, director Aditya. Awesome. Okay. Now requesting all you lovely people, only the lovely people to kindly settle down, so that Kochra sir, CC, let me tell you, you guys are not ready for this.
अरे ऐसा दे रे दो घंटा है भाई. एक दो
B62 Studios के behalf पे welcome all the eminent journalists here.
थोड़ा पीछे लेना.
Our people journalists, because people who understand films and अच्छा सुनो, मेरे को ना वापस से अपनी वो बंदूक लानी पड़ेगी. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you. Oh, all the legendary. पादुकोण साहब बैठ जाइए. देख रहा हूँ. Welcome, sir. So good to see you and congratulations on this. We're loving whatever we saw और आपको तो क्या-क्या लगाए जा रहे हैं अभी पता लगेगा. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's hear it for the man navigating the absolute darkest shade. धुरंधरों की टोली आई है boss.
कैमरा निकाल लो, फोन से कर लो यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
The fresh infusion, Sarah Arjun. Welcome to the movie. Especially Abdullah. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, the moment is here. It's time to invite on stage the man of the moment who embodies the film's intense spirit. And let me tell you, he's one of the finest Indian actors who's gone global and how international celebrity.
अरे गणेश भाई,
Ladies and gentlemen, वो जब भी मिले वो क्या चाह रहे हैं? तो it's time to invite on stage this producer extraordinaire और जिनको अपनी audience के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है. Ladies and gentlemen,
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can undertake it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for 7 pages of bacon. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never doubted it was hell. I love myself. I don't ever slow up. I don't take shit. I got no love.
so now it's time to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the force that champions ambitious cinema from India to the world. President of Geo Studios, Jyoti Deshpande. There she comes, the fourth lady, man. थोड़ा सन्नाटा क्योंकि यहाँ उन्हें बुलाने चाह रहे हैं लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
फोटो
कि मतलब समय बस निकलता रहेगा, पता नहीं लगेगा। We'll start with Rakesh sir. Thank you so much for being a part of this film. सभी सिने लवर्स की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। You know, we often talk about your humor. We often talk about your comedy timing. Comedic timing आपकी होती है, but यहाँ पे it's a perfect blend of that menace and at the same time थोड़ा थोड़ा humor। क्या होने वाला है, प्लीज बताइए सर।
Well, दोस्तों, first of all, thanks to Aditya for having this faith in me that I could pull this role so well. I mean, I don't know when,
भाई, हाथ पीछे लो।
I have pulled it through. And जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, मैंने कहा बाप रे, इतनी इंटेंस फिल्म मेरे लिए और इतना इंटेंस रोल, तो लोग को ढूंढेंगे यार, राकेश भाई आया तो कुछ तो करेगा। तो मैंने धीरे धीरे कुछ स्पेसेस ढूंढनी शुरू करी जहाँ पर आई कुड स्प्रिंकल शब्द सम ह्यूमर। और आदित्य के साथ बैठकर जब भी हमने एवरी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग, तो मैं बोलता कि हालांकि इन द बिगनिंग ही वाज रिलक्टेंट कि नहीं राकेश जी ऐसा मत कीजिए। मैंने कहा एक बार करने दे यार, थोड़ा बहुत करने दे। यू नो, वो जो आपने देखा होगा वो टीजर में था एक मोबाइल नीचे ले, वो पहले से बोला मत करो। मैंने कहा नहीं यार प्लीज करने दे यार, प्लीज लोग बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे उसको। और वो हुआ एंड धीरे धीरे वेल एंड my journey with him started from Uri with a very small role and I've come a long way with this film। और मैं इतना कहूँगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि आपने जो भी अभी इस पर्दे में देखा है, पिछले 2 बार आपने देखा है, वो लिटरली ट्रेलर ही था। फिल्म तो अभी बाकी है दोस्तों।
हाँ राकेश सर, क्या बात है। Now it's over to Arjun bhai. Ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Rampal, जिनसे उचित दूरी बनाई रखनी होगी हम सबको। You know, whatever we saw on that big screen is fabulous। फाड़ू है वो एकदम। Talk to us about that scene when that was explained to you, please, जिससे ये सब शुरू होता है। What did Aditya sir tell you? How was it? And the complexities. Talk to us about that।
Firstly, good morning everybody. Wonderful to see all of you here and thank you all for coming। मैं ज़्यादा सीन के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता because I tell you what, प्रोसेस के बारे में बात करना, सीन के बारे में बात करना, डायरेक्टर और एक्टर क्या सोच रहे थे, जब मैं ये सब बातें करने लगता हूँ तो और अपने आप को सुनता हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को बोरिंग महसूस करता हूँ मैं, तो वो नहीं करूँगा। बट टुडे इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे। इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे क्योंकि अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म हैज़ बीन मेड एंड दैट इज़ दिस फिल्म धुरंधर। थैंक्स टू दिस मैन आदित्य कर। वो पेपर पे जब उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी, इतनी एम्बिशियस फिल्म को बैक करने के लिए यू नीडेड समबडी लाइक अ ज्योति एंड अ जियो, एंड विदाउट दैट none of us would be here standing here, okay? And जो भी लोग जुड़े हैं इस फिल्म के साथ, मैं आज उन सब का गुजार हूँ और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा उन सब लोगों को, फ्रॉम द hair, makeup team, costume team, art department team, cinematography team, okay, the music team, all the actors. Aditya has made us look so ugly in this movie. Thank you so much. कि कोई हमें पहचानेगा ही नहीं, because he wanted to look the most handsome on set. But the process all of us had to take. Everybody had to bring their AAA game to this film. And Ranveer, what he did for 2 years, I've seen this man, I mean, wow. I have seen him. Wow. I'm so proud of him because it's not easy. What he did. I did not see Ranveer even once in the frame. It was always Hamza. And that was incredible. Okay, Maddie, it's the first time I'm working with him. Unfortunately, we don't have any scenes together. But I remember the first day I went to Dhurandhar set was in Bangkok. और बारिश हो रही थी बाहर और मैडी वॉज शूटिंग और मैं गया, बोला ये कौन है एक्टर यार, कमाल का एक्टर है, बड़े अच्छे से डायलॉग वगैरह दे रहा है। मुकेश ने तो कमाल की कास्टिंग कर दी है। ओके, एंड इट वाज मैडी। आई डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम, ही इज फेनोमेनल। ओके, इन द फिल्म मेरे 2 भाई अक्षय और संजू सर, उन दोनों का वीज़ा नहीं लगा तो वो नहीं आ पाए आज, बट आई मिस देम एंड देयर अक्षय इज एब्सोल्युटली मैड इन द मूवी, संजू सर इज फिनोमिनल, ओके, राकेश सर यू हैव बीन ब्रिलियंट, सारा यू गॉट द बेस्ट लॉन्च, एंड इफ आई एम मिसिंग आउट एनीबडी आई एम रियली सॉरी, बट really I want to thank this whole team for giving us something very special. Thank you Aditya, thank you Jyoti once again. This movie is a movie which is going to go on timelessly for ages. हम चले जाएंगे, ये picture रहेगी.
Thank you so much, and now ladies and gentlemen, our Madhavan. Mani sir, this one's for you. You know, how did it all happen for you? Because this is a mastermind. This is not traditional heroism, right? It's more cerebral. वो सोच रहा है, वो कुछ strategy बनाता है. So for you, how was that first of all? Your approach towards for that character, and at the same time, जैसे अर्जुन सर ने बताया कि when he saw you for the first time, he was like, ये कौन actor है यार? आपके लिए वो stand out moment क्या था इस पूरी फिल्म के दौरान?
Hey, I love you right back. Very good afternoon, guys. Thank you. बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में मैं नहीं बात करना चाहता क्योंकि अभी हमारी फिल्म आनी बाकी है, और मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जिस दिन आदित्य मुझसे मिलने आए थे किसी और फिल्म की शूटिंग पे, और बहुत जल्दी मैं आई थी कि मुझे एक नरेशन देना है, आपसे बात करनी है, और मैंने इनके बातों को सुनी और रिसर्च मैंने सुनी थी, तो मुझे लगा कि ये आदमी कहाँ था अब तक यार, ये नेशनल अवार्ड विनर तो है पर ये कहाँ था, क्योंकि मेरे स्वभाव में ये रहा है कि मैं बहुत ऐतिहासिक फिल्मों का हिस्सा रहा हूँ, बना नहीं लेकिन हिस्सा जरूर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ऐतिहासिक ये होने वाली है, क्योंकि इस फिल्म जब रिलीज होगी तो एक जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में खत्म हो जाएगा, और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए, तो हम काफ़ी देर तक लगे हुए थे, कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए, और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था और हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज़ कुछ मिसिंग है, बस एक चीज़ मिसिंग है, जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था, और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडिक अपने होंठ पतले कर लो, उन्होंने कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो, तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने होंठ पतले कर, और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया, एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथी हूँ, नहीं मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ सारे के सारे, एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर, प्रिविलेज एंड if I may say, shitting in my pants moment, because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor. You have to be very careful about not letting your balls down, literally though, you have to play the game, and for me, I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision, and Aditya Dhar for casting me, and Lokesh for making it happen, and to this rocket over here, who's standing behind like a tycoon behind, or like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We'll get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings, and to this super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life.
We love you, Maddie sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. जोरदार तालियां अब मैडी सर के साथ साथ, ladies and gentlemen, जो कदम रख रही है फिल्मी दुनिया में इसके साथ, इस बहुत ही beast kind of movie के साथ, सारा अर्जुन, give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Sara, welcome. How was it to be a part of this utter madness that we saw on the big screen? ये regular नहीं, ये हम हर बार मतलब देखने को नहीं मिलता. This is madness. Being a part of this with these wonderful people. Talk to us about it.
Hello. It was an absolute blessing to be a part of this madness, and I think it's every artist's dream to work with. These are some of the most versatile actors in our country, and yeah, I mean, I've dreamt of this my whole life, But now that it's all really happening, I keep sitting with my parents and I'm like, please pinch me because it's बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. And but yeah, I just want to thank Mukesh sir, Aditya sir, Mukesh sir, and you for giving me this chance. And everybody has just been so good to me. And yeah, जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
She packs a punch in the film and she holds her own, and she's also one of the Dhurandhars in the film.
They were almost, Mukesh had done almost 1300 auditions, and she was the one, she was brilliant, she was the best in those auditions.
Wow! She was not about you, Sara.
Yeah, she's going to be a rock star.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार. बंदी. I know. क्योंकि अब जो आ रहे हैं ना वो जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं वही सेंटर स्टेज बन जाता है ना? I know. I'll be talking to him now. Ladies and gentlemen, Dhurandhar Ranveer Singh. You know, I've said it every single time, but आज मैं और conviction के साथ बोल रहा हूँ. ये जो raw, unapologetic Indian अवतार जो आपका देखने को मिला है, it's definitely gonna take our Indian film industry को global map पे थोड़ा और ऊपर. How does it feel to be a part of this and doing this on that big screen, Ranveer?
बहुत धन्यवाद नितिन. You are my lucky charm. Thank you for doing this for us and thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for joining us on this special occasion. All our love and gratitude. Thank you ma'am for creating this grand and glorious launch for what is an insane trailer. That's the first time I'm seeing it. मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. भाई साहब ये क्या था? Sir, it was really something. I'm very proud to be a part of this movie. Like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution that aapke hosh ud jayenge. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. सर ऐसे होता है? मैं कहा बेटा ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे, and it's engaging, gripping, tense, and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. It's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, so the way you pitched it, it is absolutely impeccably credible yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Shashwat, who's in a very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them, and my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are, my beautiful team, our beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. चलो यार इस बार कुछ करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है, गदर मचाना है इस बार. And of course the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid in every medium, on stage, on television, in film, and I'm so proud to be sharing the screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who's an institution in himself. We are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू हो रहा है.
Thank you guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our
cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani Sir Cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show, you tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. And teaser level पे आपने देखा था जब teaser निकला था, सब देख रहे हैं, and feedback यही था, यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है. उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता है, ये माधवन सर है, क्या look है. And it's not easy, 3-4 hours in prosthetics, but sir, what a performance. I can't wait for the world to see it. Arjun sir, that was very, very kind of you to say. I was very, very touched by what you said. आपको पता है मैं थोड़े से funny tales बताऊंगा. ये Arjun sir is known to be the most good-looking man on earth. Okay? But of late, people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़के बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैं बोला तुमको ऐसे लोग में भी ये हॉट लगते हो ना, हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार. But yeah, so the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था, जैसे कि उन्होंने मेंशन किया, चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे, कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं, चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they're just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार Dakota Fanning आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part, and it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई है. She's so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam sir, you've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big. जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way you face challenges, and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, man. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूंगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion, and it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen after 7 years. Sir is making a film, and he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, "यार करना है यार, दिखाना है दुनिया को कि हम कौन हैं." You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion. And you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here And we had it's a big film. We had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100%, because this is a team sport, you see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Lokesh sir, this one's for you. First of all, congratulations. मतलब ये already ऐसा लग रहा है विनर हमारे हाथ में है. You know, talking about B62 Studios, ये जो feel है इस film की, that's very international. लेकिन वो intrinsic Indian, values are there. उसका बड़ा ख्याल रखा गया है. First of all, talk to us about that perfect balance.
I think पहली बार जब आदित्य ने मेरे को कहानी सुनाई, तो मेरा पहला जवाब यही था कि हम इसको एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं, और इसको ऐसा करें कि दुनिया में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म ना देखी हो. तो द आइडिया वाज टू सच्चाई से कितना हम करीब रह सकते हैं फिल्म. तो ऑल द एफर्ट दैट यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द धुरंधर्स हियर एंड हियर. हमारे जो HODs हैं, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं, पूरी जान डाल दी है उनमें. और हमारे जो HODs ने, they have worked under extreme pressure. I just want to apologize to them because I know this was a very difficult film. We were uncompromising that these guys have delivered the best. When I first heard the story, Aditya पहले, because Aditya when he writes, he never writes with the actors in mind. He only writes the story. My first thing to Aditya was, I think for the lead, Ranveer will be great. He's never done anything like this. And I mean, it all fell in place. I mean, he's done fantastic job, along with all the actors. I mean, they've just killed it. आप आज दिसंबर को देखिए, हम ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहते फिल्म के बारे में, मगर thank you to all of you, the HODs, the crew, and most of all, thank you Jyoti, thank you Priyanka, thank you the entire Jio team for backing this up.
Thank you. So I'd just like to add, before we get to the main person, I would just like to add this about Aditya. So one quote is most certainly true in his case, is that if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. That could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today, and it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. Bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s. Copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special. सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा.
SP असलम, अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे रंडवा बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब आपको खस्सी.
Once more. Thank you so much. Once more. Yes, of course. Let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna. Two of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to Jio Studios की यहाँ पे जो करता धरता है, जिन्होंने इससे पहले भी बड़ी सारी जो कमाल की फिल्में उनको बैक किया, but this time, for the first time, I am seeing Jyoti Deshpande ji a little emotional. First things first, मैम पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ एक अलग इमोशन चेहरे पे आया. Talk to us about that पहले.
Thank you everyone for coming here again. मैं बार-बार बताते रहती हूँ, but इस बार, it's something else only. I think 30 साल से फिल्में बना रही हूँ मैं, and सबके साथ पहले भी बहुत बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुकी हूँ एंड सक्सेस भी पाया है, एक्सेप्ट यू, एंड होपफुली दिस इज वन ऑफ मेनी. बट आई थिंक जो हम बोलते हैं वर्ड्स करियर डिफाइनिंग, क्लटर ब्रेकिंग, जॉनर बेंडिंग, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें थियोरेटिकली बोलते हैं, बट वन हैज सीन इट कम टू लाइफ, क्योंकि रियल बारूद तो ये आदमी है. You know, he has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that you know, any words will fail to describe what we experienced. So ये picture नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ experience किया है बनाते हुए, and we are very excited to unleash it to the world. As an Indian, you know, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story. You know. So thank you everyone, thank you everyone. It's, you know, now all we look forward to is presenting it to the audiences and let them have some fun.
Ma'am, just one more thing, you know, collaborating and partnering with 362 Studios one more time. And यहाँ पे जब शुरुआत हुई थी उस समय वो क्या विजन थी या क्या चल रहा था कि इसको इस लेवल पे हमको माउंट करना है, क्योंकि people are talking about the international level of whatever we see on that big screen.
देखो अभी हम इनके साथ काफी फिल्में बना चुके हैं, तो हमें पता है कि वो पहले फंसाते हैं, तो पहले वो अंदर करते हैं, पूरा कुछ बताते नहीं है, और जब आप अंदर जा चुके हो आप फिर चलते जाते हो एक विजन में. बट ये आदमी से ज्यादा प्योर आदमी है नहीं ये, इतना प्योर इंटेंशन है, his intentions are so pure that he brings out the best in everyone. And you know, Ranveer, I have worked with you on several films, Bajirao, Ramleela, you know, we've had Singham. However, the way you surrendered mind, body and soul to this one, it's, you know, I mean, we feel it's career defining. मतलब दुनिया उठ के देखेगी, not just India. Well done everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I just want to add to what man said. You know, when a person is so righteous in their intent, you know, when he has a purpose behind telling the story, something great always comes out of it. Or like you, ma'am, I also went along with it, faced every challenge along the way, and he was leading from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second, did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na? So that's how you thought about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, you know, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, you know, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in that same stage, I said, sir, ये ऐसी हिंदी सिनेमा में बनी नहीं है. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
जब लोग आते हैं गाना सुनाने के लिए बोलते हैं, you know, extraction meets inception या Mission Impossible meets XYZ, and मैं तभी नरेशन बंद कर देती हूँ, you know. So अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म की मिसाल दी जाए कि, you know, धुरंधर meets XYZ लोग कोशिश करते रहेंगे. I've always wanted to be, you know, in my position of king maker. I think this film will make many kings and a beautiful queen.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the writer, director, and producer of Dhurandhar, Aditya Thar. Give it up for him. पहले तो मतलब शक ही हो जाता because he's so sweet, you know, every time you meet him he's like very you know nice to you. ऐसे हमें आदत नहीं है सर, मतलब थोड़ा कशन देना चाहिए आपने भी, लेकिन यहाँ पे with that smile, please tell us, you know, we all loved the teaser and now with this trailer you outdone yourself like completely. So what do you have to say? The hype is real. ये सिर्फ छाती बजा के हम बड़ी बातें नहीं कर रहे, we are actually showing it on that big screen. Talk to us about it, sir.
So when we started this journey, there was a gap of almost 5 years that I hadn't made a film, and when I started writing it, somehow I started getting, and thanks to Mukesh Chhabra, when we started casting, when Ranveer came on board, he started casting. Somehow we started getting hold of people who were there to prove themselves. हमारी टीजर में एक डायलॉग है, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ, वो सब घायल थे एंड उन्होंने जो परफॉर्म किया इतने घातक तरीके से परफॉर्म किया, हर एक ने, हर HOD ने इतने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से परफॉर्म किया, इट्स एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. Everybody has put their heart and soul into this film. It doesn't happen very often. Like, कई बारी होता है कि HODs get into a project because there's money is good. कई बारी they get into a project because it's prestigious. This was a project जिसमें absolute pure intent. Actors से लेके HODs से लेके even assistant से लेके even spot दादा तक. Everybody was like कि यार इस फिल्म के लिए जान दी. We have worked 16 hours, 18 hours continuously for 1.5 years. And not even once has anybody complained कि sir आप हमसे ज़्यादा काम करो. Everybody has given their best. Absolutely. And that's how this film happens.
सर मैम ने बोला ना आप ऐसा एक बार लेते हो अंदर और उसके बाद लपेट लेते हैं, तो I'm sure वही होने वाला है. You have to say it on the
We also did complain कि ज़्यादा पैसे लगे.
कर दी उन्होंने काम की बात. Please tell us, sir, there's another thing. You know, मैंने सुना है आपने इसकी पूरी मेकिंग को, you've called it an act of God. So you have to talk about that. थोड़ा elaborate कीजिए. और साथ ही, you know, he's one of those storytellers, ladies and gentlemen, जो कि शायद फिल्में बनाना, भारतीय फिल्में बनाना, उन्हें ग्लोबल लेवल तक पहुंचाना अपनी नेशनल ड्यूटी समझते हैं. So थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में भी बताइए.
So I don't believe in the languages in India. I believe that we are representing Indian film industry.
Yeah.
Our job is to take Indian film industry to international level, to make it stand at the same podium where South Korea के लिए Parasite stand हुई थी, जहाँ पे Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon China के लिए stand हुई थी. I also want to reach that position जहाँ पे हम जब खड़े होंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि हिंदुस्तान से बहुत ही इंटरनेशनल लेवल की फिल्म है. एट द सेम टाइम इट्स एंटरटेनिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक आप मतलब उसको आर्ट हाउस के कैटेगरी में नहीं डाल रहे हैं, आप एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म बना रहे हो, पूरी दुनिया के लिए बना रहे हो, एंड दैट हैज ऑलवेज बीन द इंटेंट. सेकंड इज वी I don't know about me, but I know that my team went on to God mode in this film. My actors went, each and every scene, my actors got in it 24/7. Be it Arjun sir, Maggie sir, Rakesh sir, Sara, Ranveer, Akshay sir, Sanju sir, everybody was like on God mode in this film.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, मैंने ऐसा कभी लाइफ में नहीं देखा. एक बार हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे और पैकअप हो गया रणवीर का. थोड़ी देर में देखा कि एक असिस्टेंट जो है पूरा क्राउड मैनेज कर रहा है टोपी पहने. मैंने कहा इतना अच्छा कौन कर रहा है काम. बाद में मालूम पड़ा रणवीर वहीं बैठा हुआ, गया ही नहीं वापस. ये ही वाज असिस्टिंग, यू नो, और बहुत देर तक ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 घंटे तक ही वाज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज असिस्टेंट टू डू. दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट रणवीर शोड इन दिस.
One of those films where, you know, you'll do anything for the shop, anything for the shop. And when that is the attitude that every person on the team goes in with, then you get something you can be proud of. And I'm very, very proud of what we did. Thank you guys.
Extremely proud of. Can I call my HODs on stage?
For sure, sir.
Can I have all my HODs? And one thing I want to tell you guys. Yeah, okay. Shashwat, Smriti, Preeti, Manav, Everybody, come on stage.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them. Some very, very important people. जिनकी वजह से ये हो पा रहा है, of course. And can we have that music, please? बनता है.
You are not.
Come on, it's पूरी एक बार जोरदार तालियां because the way they entertained us. Of course, it's छोटी सी space में we will love it, ladies and gentlemen. आइए इधर से जोर से आ रहा. Of course, the Shashwat is here. He's giving the music, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar Saria, because this is nothing like that we heard before. Aditya sir, over to you.
Hello, Packer. Okay, so wanted to mention like special mentions, special names I want to mention. Sameer Sadhwani, my first AD, phenomenal. Rohan, my associate director, phenomenal. Thank you so much. And one name is, and the entire team, all the assistants on this film, be it like costume department, art department, all the assistants. Thank you so much for bearing with me for such a long time. One name I want to mention over here. You guys really enjoyed the teaser. You guys really enjoyed the trailer. I just want to tell you, the teaser and the trailer was cut by my 22-year-old BA. His name is Ojas Gautam. Can I have Ojas on stage? He deserves to be here. Yes, it's over here. Ojas. Can I have Ojas on stage? Ojas Sovia.
Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
This boy, he's 22 years old, he's very close to me. He was there with me from, I think 2020-21 onwards. He was there with me when I was struggling and we were trying to make Ashwatthama happen. And one of the reasons why I was able to make this film was because of the persistency of this boy. Because he never stopped believing in me. He really pushed me. Another name I would like to take is my editor, Shiv Kumar, one of my closest friends. That guy has backed me right from Uri days. He has been one of my oldest friends. And these two boys really pushed me, really made this film happen. It was all their persistency that we are standing here, and it's all their hard work. It's been almost 72 to 76 hours this boy hasn't slept. He was cutting this trailer till 4 in the morning and then got the DCP done and everything. So please give a big round of applause.
You should know कि आदित्य फिल्म में बहुत बढ़िया बनाता है, but narration बहुत बकवास देता है. Ojas is the one who converts scripts to green lighting. वो इतना बढ़िया narration देता है कि you know all those scenes come to life, and all the films that we've made with B62.
She insists कि I
insist कि Ojas सुनाएगा तभी मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगी. मेरे लिए तो पिक्चर समझ नहीं आती.
So I truly believe next 10 years he's going to be the biggest director here.
I second that, sir. I second that.
I'll make sure he becomes the best director.
Ojas sir, namaste. Ojas sir, namaste.
15 seconds I want to take to actually apologize to my team. Priyanka, Deepa, Kamita, Swapnil, Udit. I know I've become a monster. And, smiles, sense of humor like I'm seeing now. So thank you for putting up with
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I must say, जिस honesty से एक चीज यहाँ पे बोली है और वो जो bond यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, वो ही धुरंधर को धुरंधर बनाता है. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. We get to watch this spectacular, whatever this is, that's going to blow your minds away, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is not just a movie. You said it right, right. देखेंगे क्या है ये, whatever this is something crazy. बनता है. 5th December is we get,
I urge everyone to silently watch it so that you catch the dialogues and make a noise and bring the stadium down after the train.
Come on, lovely. Let's do it. We're gonna do that. लेकिन उससे पहले
खाली आले की फोटो सोलो बिलो लगना था फोटोग्राफर ये रोहित थोड़ा नीचे ले
Indeed, mind-blowing. Is when we get to see the movie in theaters. And as I said, ये सिर्फ मूवी नहीं है, ये कुछ और क्या है? थिएटर्स में
आई पीछे ना आई सोलो अरे सोलो अरे काश नितिन तांबे पिछले रणवीर तब तक सोलो करते
Baba, please आइए. And yeah, it's time for a quick picture with the entire team, right?
अरे वापस
Oh, like seriously, Abhira?
अरे वो क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है
मुकेश्वर आइए ना, इतने सालों से किल करके आए हैं, यहाँ तो आइए.
In this film, it's all because of this guy. I didn't believe कि मैं pull off कर सकता हूँ ये casting. He believed. And he made the calls. He sat in my office for days, and he got all these Dhurandhars together. So hats off to Mukesh. इस फिल्म में मुकेश ने अपनी पूरी जान लगा दी है. And this film wouldn't have been possible without his help.
अरे ओनली कास्ट ओनली कास्ट
Thank you. I think I just want to say thank you everyone. I always say that कि अगर आपके पास अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होती, अच्छा डायरेक्टर नहीं होता, अच्छा ब्रीफ नहीं होता तो कास्टिंग अच्छी नहीं होती है. बहुत बिगड़ बात है. अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट, अच्छा ब्रीफ, अच्छा डायरेक्टर, and you're set. And also want to call this so many actors who did an amazing job. सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं. Everyone please come on stage. My team, full casting team, सब लोग आ रहे हैं. चल अभी जाता हूँ. आप लोग please everyone come on stage. Come everyone. Pankaj, please come on stage.
ये है समझदार बंदे समझदार बंदे
गण्याचा फोटो मार आम्ही फोटो मारतोय
मारले मी त्याच्या अगोदर मारून मोकळा अरे ऐसे सोलो किधर लाइट एवढ्या सगळ्यांची सोलो मारायची सबका सोलो चाहिए
Okay, what we'll do is we'll have a quick picture with this entire team, right? Thank you so much. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now we'll do a quick picture with the entire team. Thank you. Here we go.
अरे क्या नितिन अरे
इतने अमेजिंग एक्टर्स हैं यहाँ पे सब लोग.
ये नितिन सबका सोलो
मैं भी करूँगा अभी बस कुछ देर में.
क्या है यार
एक सोलो पिक्चर
चलिए we'll do this picture. Yeah. Come, everyone.
ये काम है
Varun Gupta ji, where are you?
तिकडे फोटो होतोय बरं ना
We want to say, ladies and gentlemen, Max Marketing founder, come. Run. All right. Okay. Arjun bhai, to kindly stay back. Jyoti ma'am, Aditya sir, Lokesh sir, kindly stay back. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Here we go.
अरे बाबा
Arjun sir, Sarah, please be here. Thank you. Ranveer sir, Aditya sir.
सारा सोलो बस पीछे कुछ है बस सारा जी यहाँ पर देखो
Jyoti ma'am, Jyoti Deshpande ji, please. We want you to be here.
सारा यहाँ पर देखो
चले 12
सारा
दोनों का बाबा
रुको सारा जी यहाँ पर रुको
Lokesh sir.
ओनली स्टार कास्ट अरे राकेश सर
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here.
कुठे स्टार आहे पिक्चर
हाँ बाबू तू सबको
आई थोड़ा पिक्चर आई तुमको लय मोठा आहे
बस काय
Okay. Got it? Thank you.
अरे फोटो वही
Quick solo with you. Quick solo, yeah.
अर्जुन बाबा अर्जुन भाई रुको यहाँ पर देखो यस परफेक्ट थैंक यू
And now the leading lady, and of course, Ranveer Singh, ladies and gentlemen, please, Sarah.
सारा बाबा
सामने आपके
बाबा
अरे बाबा इधर देखो बाबा अरे लड़कियां
बाबा इधर देखो
Thank you so much. You guys
Solo.
ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है जो प्लैटिनम में हमारे यहाँ पे सब अमेजिंग लोग हैं अपने मेरे लेफ्ट से और अपने राइट से आप लोग प्रस्थान कीजिएगा ये प्लैटिनम टीम गोल्ड में जितने लोग हैं वो राइट से जाएंगे बट we'll just let these wonderful people exit first, right?
बाबा सोलो बाबा सोलो सोलो ओ भाई साहब बस गंडेरी
बाबा यहाँ पर देखो बाबा यहाँ पर
Of course, Jyoti ma'am, please the three of you, of course.
शादी का फोटो कर रहा है धुरंधर सोलो त्याला कोण डेव्हलप देत नाही सोलो
बाबा सोलो
बाबा सोलो बाबा सोलो सोलो
होगा होगा सोलो भी होगा
नहीं नहीं हुआ
सबका सोलो
अरे
होगा
वाह भाई मैडम मैडम फ्रेम खराब कर रहे हो मैडम नीचे आ जाओ
मेरा कैमरा बाबा अरे धोयला लाव ना कॅमेरा यार बाबा सोलो 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 हाँ वही एक्शन
बाबा वही बंदूक वाला हो जाए
बंदूक वाला बंदूक वाला
बंदूक वाला
बोल रहे रोहित
ओ बाबा बोलो ना भी
ओ बाबा बंदूक
बाबा बंदूक बंदूक बाबा बंदूक वाला हाँ यही चलेगा नमस्ते
आवे क्या शादी का फोटो
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being so amazing. We'll see you in theaters when the movie releases, of course, on the 5th of December. This is me, Nitin China.